Welcome, class, to the Heart Saver Pediatric CPR class. My name is Crystal Harrell. Life is why is the American Heart's motto. That's why we teach CPR is for life. I know you're required to have it for this program, for your early childhood program, and congrats on you for continuing your education. I know Miss Nimmer is a wonderful instructor, and I'm sure everyone's enjoyed her class. And we are going to have a wonderful time on our live Heart Saver First Aid CPR class. So first things first, you should have received an email from Diana McConnell. This is her contact information. So if you have not done this yet, you need to get this address, and it's dmcconnell@tcsg.edu, and search your student email because she sent you the username and password to get onto your account. Okay? And if for some reason you cannot find it, feel free to email her or email me and let me know you have not received that. Next, after you log into your Blackboard account, make sure you're using Google Chrome, because for some reason some of the apps are not pulling up and the videos are not pulling up if you're using Edge or Explorer. I'm not sure why, but they just do not work. I gave you a home page. I just welcomed you to the course, and then on the side of the home page, you may not be able to see it, but if you scroll right here, it has a tab, and you can see all the links. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your videos, and you're going to open them, and you're going to click on the video. Now if for some reason you're having a hard time pulling up this video, you can copy and paste it into a new window and it should work just fine. But you'll see, them doing CPR on a child. Okay. So you're going to go through all the videos. There's a pretty good bit. And then after that, you'll have a quiz at the bottom. Okay, and the next under class lessons, I have our skills checkoff sheets. So this is what we're going to be tested on Thursday when you take your online virtual class. So that's your first aid. And then it goes through the steps of finding the problem and control bleeding. So you need to make sure you read over all those lessons. And then the very last one is how to claim your e-card. You'll receive your certification the Monday after you return your equipment, because I have to make sure all the equipment is returned. And what it's going to do is you'll have a button to your email say click here to claim your e-card, and you'll follow the instructions to create make sure you do a security question and an answer for that, and then a survey, and then you see your certification. That's what you'll be needing to give to your instructor. Okay, so when it's time for our live session on March the 18th, you're going to click on Collaborative Online Class. And you have to make sure that you have a device that has a camera and a mic. So you're welcome to use your phone. You can also, use a computer with a laptop or webcam. And you're going to click on the CPR that says March the 18th. Now, it's not going to let you click on it beforehand, but if you want to try it out, you're welcome to use the welcome and join session. Okay, so you have to make sure you turn on your mic and your camera because I have to be able to see you do CPR. So it's not going to let me do my video just because I'm recording right now. Oh. Well, hold on. Let's see if it's not going to let me. Okay. So on Blackboard Live, I don't know if you can see this because my picture is in the way. So let me move my. Let's see. Move my picture. You have a little chat box, so you can chat to the whole class. And if you want to do a private message, you can click right here where it says attendees, and you can send me a private message or the students that are attending the class. We should have about 6. And if you want to raise your hand, you can click raise your hand. All that fun stuff. Okay? And then normally you'll see me ahead of time. If you want to change your profile picture, you can click on here. I want to let you know if you're happy or sad and all that fun stuff too. And go into settings. Okay, and click on the little picture, and you can upload what picture that you want to use. So if you want to go to your pictures, you can put a personal picture of yourself or one that you saved. I think I saved one for blackboards. Let me pull one up. There's me. Looks just like me, don't it? And I click it and I save it. I didn't make sure it was I think I need to push her down just a, well, I guess she's okay. It's in the chat. And we're going to save it. So you can see it's right here down here. It's my profile picture. Beautiful, isn't it? Alright, and we're going to go back to our home page. Okay, so you can go to My Grades, and you can go check to make sure you completed everything under My Grades, because it'll show your grade on the side. So if you need to contact me, you can shoot me an email at kharrell@coastalpines.edu. You could also call me at area code 912-262-4326. I hope you have a wonderful day.